Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download Android apps without the Google Play Store. It's pretty simple, let's get started. First, open your browser, search Download APK and choose any website with APK files. It can be APK Pure or APK Mirror, it doesn't matter. Use what you want. I use APK Mirror, open it. Next, choose any application. For example, I use Angry Birds, download it, then swipe down and tap on See Available Downloads. After that, tap Download once more, swipe down again, and choose Download APK. File might be harmful, do you want to download, blah blah blah. Anyway, okay, download anyway. File is downloading, file downloaded, open it, or you can go to the menu at the top right corner, choose Downloads, and here choose our Angry Birds file. Next, for our security, our phone currently isn't allowed to install unknown apps from this source, but we can change these in settings. Go to the settings. We want to install this file from Google Chrome browser. If you want to download it, for example, from WhatsApp, if your friend send you APK file, or maybe from another application, choose your application. Maybe you use Firefox, but I use Google Chrome. Turn on Google Chrome to install unknown apps. And next we can install this application. Tap on Install and our application is installing. That's good. Application has been installed. Tap Open or Done. And what I also want to show you is where to find the Install Unknown App setting. Open the settings. Next, choose Biometrics and Security. Swipe down and we see Install Unknown Apps. I use Samsung phone. If you use another mobile phone, the setting can be in another place. We can tap on search icon at the top right corner and next write Unknown Apps and choose this setting. Choose the Install Unknown Apps section and here we can choose any application to install unknown apps. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, good luck, see you next time.